Hello, it's been a particularly wet week for many, autumnal feeling. Some of the wettest spots have seen 160 millimetres of rain, the likes of the Lake District and North Wales. Now, some of that moisture was wrapped around this deep area of low pressure, which is the remnants of Hurricane Lee. So that's why we've had so much rain. But that low pressure is still influencing our weather. We've still got showers thrown up across its eastern flank here, as you can see, into southeastern parts. And then we're picking up a northerly wind as it's continuing its journey into the North Sea. And that'll be a different feel to Friday. Near gale force winds in the north, but a stronger wind ushering those showers further south and east. Hopefully those across the east of England clear away fairly soon. And then we've got the showers coming down from the north, nowhere exempt to catching a shower, and temperatures similar to Thursday, I think, but with more breeze it will feel cooler, and there'll still be some lively showers with rumbles of thunder. But actually through the night on Friday the winds ease away, the showers also ease, the sky's clear, and it really looks like a chilly night. Chillier than Thursday night into Friday, with a touch of frost potentially in the glens of Scotland, which means a fine start to Saturday morning. There might be just the odd pocket of mist underneath this ridge of high pressure, but it's really just a brief window of drier weather because we already have this next low rolling in. This is the remnants of Hurricane Nigel, so more tropical air heading our way. But for the meantime, it's going to be chilly, as I say, to start Saturday morning. And as we start Saturday morning, we'll see some good spells of sunshine, just patchy fair weather cloud. But as the day wears on, we will find more cloud piling in across the southwest into Northern Ireland in particular and western Scotland. And for Northern Ireland, actually, the latter part of the afternoon might bring the first splashes of rain from the next weather front. But ahead of that, with sunshine and with light winds, it should feel quite pleasant at 16 or 17 degrees. And we're losing that northerly breeze because we're picking up instead a milder southwesterly wind, but with it more rain, and the tightly packed isobars indicate that the wind will be strengthening once again. So the likelihood is we will see further gales, particularly around the coast, and we will have further heavy rain again. We could see similar totals, perhaps 50 millimetres in the wetter spots, even more over the hills. But there's some uncertainty, but it does still look as if some southern and eastern parts of England might escape and stay dry with more cloud, but warmer. 2021 again, because we're switching the wind direction. We are tapping into this southwesterly and starting with that high pressure close by, but eventually on Monday that weather front does slip through across central and eastern areas. By then, perhaps not that much rain around it, but it will freshen things up again behind with showers, sunny spells and showers as we go through towards Monday, and potentially something a little bit more unsettled looking towards the west. But look at those temperatures, 19, 21 degrees Celsius, feeling quite pleasant, and that's because we're still keeping this southwesterly. Then there is some uncertainty as we go further ahead then into next week. Low pressure looks more dominant, doesn't it? But there's always the chance that a ridge of high pressure might just start to build across southern areas. So it's more likely that we'll see the wetter and windier weather taking shape across northern and western parts. But even further south at this stage, it does look set to stay very changeable, but still quite warm. Temperatures into the low 20s into next week here, and up into the high teens further north. As ever, there's more on the website and we'll keep you up to date here.